Dinuguan. Dinuguan is a Filipino savory stew usually of pork offal. Typically lungs, kidneys, intestines, ears, heart and snout, and/or meat simmered in a rich, spicy dark gravy of pig blood, garlic, chile, most often siling haba, and vinegar. The most popular term Dinuguan and other regional naming variants come from their respective word for blood. This dish is rather similar to European-style blood sausage, or British and Irish black pudding in a saucy stew form. It is perhaps closer in appearance and preparation to the Polish soup czernina or an even more ancient Spartan dish known as melas zomos, black soup, whose primary ingredients were pork, vinegar and blood. Dinuguan can also be served without using any offal, using only choice cuts of pork. In Batangas, this version is known as sinangak. It can also be made from beef and chicken meat, the latter being known as dinuguang manok, chicken dinuguan. Dinuguan is usually served with white rice or a Philippine rice cake called puto. The most important ingredient of the Dinuguan recipe, pig's blood, is used in many other Asian cuisines either as coagulated blood acting as a meat extender or as a mixture for the broth itself. Dinuguan is also called sinagak in Batangas, Zinigan in Ibanag, Twik in Itaois, Tidtad in Kapampangan, Dinardaran in Ilocano, Dugadugo in Cebuano, Rugadugo in Wari, Sampena or Champena in northern Mindanao, and Tinumas in Bulacan and Nueva Ecija. A euphemism for this dish is chocolate meat. Have you tried Dinuguan? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more educational videos.